Merry Christmas, friends. I have a quick and simple video for you today, one of my last few before Christmas. I'm taking this little guy that I got at Hobby Lobby a few years ago. He did not sell in my shop and I never really did much with him. So today I'm going to dress him up a little bit for Christmas and see if I can get him sold. Toward the end of the video, I want to give you a final quick tour of a few things I touched up in my decor at home, and we will take a look at a couple more things that I just put in my booth to sell right before Christmas. He needs a little glue in a couple of places. I watch a lot of other YouTube channels that are similar to mine or more advanced than mine for inspiration. I'm going to list about 10 of those, 10 of my favorites in the description below, and I think you'll enjoy some of the videos and probably find some inspiration in those. Some of them I've been following for several years, and then some are fairly new discoveries. I hope you will subscribe to some of those channels if you enjoy them. And that's kind of how we survive and prosper here on YouTube is, spreading the word, sharing each other's videos out. And I haven't yet collaborated with any other content creators, but I do hope that that will work out in the future. So enjoy all those content creators and their channels that I'm putting in the description below. And if they are new for you, please let them know that Carolina's Cottage sent you over. And I'm just making a simple bow here by making a couple of loops and then tying the middle together. This is wired ribbon that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And here we are just a few days before Christmas, and I'm hoping that all of you are far enough along in your decorating and preparations for the holiday that your stress level is minimal. I hope that each of you are remembering to take time for yourself and rest and do the things that you know you need. Perhaps that will include a little crafting for some of you. I know that's my happy place and where I kind of regather my thoughts and refocus. I like the way this little guy turned out. This chippy goodness is beautiful. His holiday colors are good. He's just got a great little rustic look about him. Some of you may remember a piece similar to this one that I did. I've put a pop-up at the end of this video that you can click on to watch how I created this cute little wall art with the Cardinals on it. And here's a quick tour of my updated Christmas decorations. I've added a few things to my dining table. I added a small tree in my dining area that's also open to my kitchen area. And actually, I don't know if I'm trying to compete with other YouTube channels, which, there's a lot of people doing a lot of decorating in a lot of rooms, and I didn't really have time to overdo it or take it to that level, but I did manage to go back and update some of the things I put on the tree, on the mantle, and then on the hutch on the entryway. So I'll let you take a look at what I did there and see what you think. My family calls this little tree the Charlie Brown tree. I had picked it up at a resale shop a few months ago for $10, and it just needed to be fluffed up, and it's just a cute little primitive tree. I think it's just the right touch for this little corner in my dining area. I added a little more gold to the big tree in the living room. Last year I had changed my colors. We had moved just prior to last Christmas and gotten a bigger tree, so in the process of getting a few more things to decorate that, I went with just the neutral colors, and a lot of these pieces were white and silver, and so I, in the last week or so, have added a little bit more gold to the tree from some things I've thrifted. And I found this cute lighted church at a resale shop recently. Another recent find was 2 strands of this long garland with these lovely silver ornaments attached. I added these to the frosted Christmas greenery that I had put on the mantle previously, and I added the thrifted little candles that you see there. I added a few pieces of greenery and ornaments to a silver-plated tray that I had painted maybe a year ago, and this was a nice piece for my little coffee table. The rustic buffet near the entryway has a few more things added. I've gotten a few Christmas cards that I've put in this display, and again, another piece of the garland that I found with the silver ornaments and a couple of cute little Christmas trees. Please click on the pop-up and watch more of my Christmas videos and additional decorating videos. Thank you for watching today. I hope you have a blessed Christmas. Remember, Jesus is the reason for the season, and I will see you in the next video.